everyone, hope you all are doing great. In my last video I showed you how to make eggless carrot apple muffins in the air fryer. Many of you loved it. Thank you so much for all the love, likes, continuing to inspire me to make many such recipes. If you're new to this channel and if you missed the recipe, find the link in the description below. Today I'm so excited to bring this crispy methi pakora using dried fenugreek leaves, Kasoori methi. If you look it up, it's also classified as a herb. Growing up, we used to live in different countries and we didn't have the luxury of fresh methi leaves. So my mother always used to have this Kasoori methi in the pantry, and one of her popular recipe was this crispy methi pakora. Whenever she used to invite few friends, she used to make this quickly. Happy to share this mother's recipe, her secret ingredients. So keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this I'm taking 2 large onions. Chop the onion into small to medium size, making sure they are more or less uniformly cut, just the way I'm doing it here. I'm using yellow onion for this. You may use red onion or white onion, anything that's readily available in the market. White onion is sweeter than red onion in taste. In a large bowl, add the chopped onion. Now to this, I'm going to add Kasoori methi. This is dried fenugreek leaves available in Indian store. I'm taking 3/4 cup. You may add half cup. It has slight bitterness, but with the rest of the spices, you're going to love it. It has plenty of health benefits and it's great for us. Next, I'm adding besan made from brown chickpea. This will help to bind and good source of protein. Adding 1 cup of besan now and then add more if needed. To this, adding 1/4 teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds, which helps with digestion. Adding 2 green chilies chopped. Adjust the chili according to your spice level. Adding 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt. I'm using pink Himalayan rock salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder and 1 teaspoon chaat masala to make it more tasty. There's a thunderstorm warning, so quickly keeping the flower pots on the side. Perfect weather for making pakoras. Mix everything well. Make sure all the spices gets evenly mixed along with Kasoori methi. To this, adding 1/4 cup water slowly. Now using your hand, mix to see if it's binding or not. I'm going to add half cup more besan. You should be able to bind well. Perfect methi pakora mix is ready. Next, always check if the air fryer is clean. Sometimes in a hurry we leave it to clean later. I usually clean it right away. If you want to know how I deep clean the air fryer, check the link in the description below. I use all natural products for cleaning. Do check it out if you are interested. Cooking in clean air fryer is a good healthy practice. I'm quickly going to clean the air fryer now. My air fryer is clean and I'm going to preheat it. There is a preheat option which I'm going to use. If not, preheat for 3 to 4 minutes. I like to add 1 teaspoon oil to help the pakora cook well inside and not letting it over dry. Some tips from my air fryer experience. Lightly brush the basket. I'm using avocado oil. I bought this from Costco. You may get it online as well. Now take a small portion and gently make a shape. You may shape it however you wish and place it inside the basket. This is how I used to drop it in hot oil and deep fry. Now that we have an air fryer, we can all enjoy it with much less oil. Even my kids used to look forward whenever my mother used to make this. Now close the basket and let's air fry for 10 minutes first at 385 Fahrenheit. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's see. This is looking so good already. See, it's not sticking to the basket. I love the way it's coming out. Next, flip each piece, and the tip is not to overcrowd the basket. Make sure there's always some space in between the pakoras. Lightly brush on top, this is optional. Close it back and air fry for 10 more minutes at 385 Fahrenheit. In the meanwhile, I've set up the serving platter for pakoras. My air fryer is beeping, can't wait. Oh wow, look at these golden brown beauties, absolutely perfect and crispy. I'm so happy that I'm jumping up and down with joy just like these pakoras. Do you hear the crispy sound? Yum! Can't wait to dig in. Each air fryer is different, so try out the setting that you're most satisfied with. I told my mother that I tried it in the air fryer for the first time and she was thrilled to hear. Let me show you how it looks from inside. Perfectly cooked, looks so soft inside and crispy from outside. I served it along with tea in the evening and my friends loved it. I also use these pakoras to make Indian curry or coconut based curry. Dip in your favorite sauce or chutney and enjoy it right away. You saw how delicious this turned out. I'm so pleased with the outcome. Fenugreek or methi is so good for you. It's good for your hair, it's good for your skin, and it helps with your digestion. If you're looking for a diabetic friendly snack, this is so good, and also helps control your cholesterol. When you can make this pakora, eat it, enjoy it, and look gorgeous with your hair, skin, and digestion, why not? 2 years back, I made a video on spinach fritters, how to make pakoras in the air fryer. You can also find the video link in the description below. Many people loved it. I have made many such pakoras and healthy snacks. You can find all the link in the description. If you are on Instagram or Facebook, follow me for healthy, easy, healthy, tasty recipes I make and I post on a regular basis. You can check it out. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobes.